Hi guys, this is a typical issue of P10 outdoor module with certain colors off in 4 pixels in a row. After analysis, we apply a minimally invasive treatment by drilling a hole to the side of the plastic cover to make jump wires from the pins between IC chip to pixels. So when the repair job is done, we apply some silicone glue to the hole on the side as well as the space beneath the pixel pins, so the waterproof function remains. So if you are interested in getting more information about this repair method, if you think this video is useful for you, don't hesitate to contact us or share it with your friends, as well as subscribe our channel on YouTube. Thanks.